This is the summary of Act 2, Scene 5, and I like to call this scene a stalling message. The characters that are involved are the nurse and Juliet. What takes place is basically Juliet is in her room. She's waiting for the nurse to come back from talking to Romeo to get the plans about the marriage that they were promising one another. And the nurse finally comes back and she stalls to give Juliet the news. She complains about her back. She complains about having a headache. And it's very comical scene. It's meant to be funny. Finally, after Juliet asking, she tells Juliet that if she has gone to confession, she asks her, and of course, Juliet has made plans to go to confession with Friar Lawrence, and she does share the news that Romeo will be there to get married to, so they can get married to one another. This all takes place in Juliet's room. The reason why this is an important scene is the nurse may show resistance towards this marriage, but she does love Juliet very much and she wants to see her happy. So this is Act 2, Scene 5. I hope you enjoy.